Hey guys, welcome back. So in my last video, I showed you how to remove your Microsoft account from Windows 11 and switch it to a local account. A lot of you found that helpful, so now I'm going to show you the opposite. How to go back and sign in with your Microsoft account again. Super easy, let's get into it. So maybe you switched to a local account before, but now you want to link it back to Microsoft, maybe for OneDrive or the Microsoft Store, or just to sync your settings across devices. Whatever the reason, here's exactly how to do it. Alright, first thing, open up Settings. Hit the Start button at the bottom and click Settings. Once you're in Settings, click on Accounts on the left side. Then click on Your Info. Now in here, you'll see it says Local Account. That confirms we're currently on a local account and not linked to Microsoft at all. On the right side, you'll see an option that says Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to open a sign-in window. Just enter your Microsoft account email. That's usually your Outlook, Hotmail, or any email you've used for Microsoft, and hit Next. Now it's going to ask you to choose a way to verify your identity. You'll see three options. First is face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key. Second is by using your email password. And third is by verification code through your email. Just pick whichever one works best for you. I'll go with the third one, the verification code. So it sent a code to your email. Go ahead and open your email on any device. Grab that code, enter it here, and then click Sign In. Next, it'll ask for your current local account password. Just type that in and hit Next. Now it might ask if you want to use Face Sign In. That's totally up to you. I'll go ahead and skip that for now. After that, you'll see a One More Step screen. Just hit Next on that. Then enter your device PIN, and that's it. You're now fully signed in to your Microsoft account. As you can see, it now shows your Microsoft account email right there. No more local account. You're fully synced back up. If you found this helpful, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips. See you in the next one.